Hi everybody, this is Andrea Friso from Legor, and today we're going to talk about a practical aspect, that is to say, the correct procedure for cleaning silver items. As you know, silver is a very sensitive product for what concerns tarnishing and resistance in time against discoloration. So today we're going to show you the correct procedure for cleaning it properly without having any residue that could hinder the alloy from giving the most of what it's supposed to do. So here with me is Marta from our R&D laboratory, who will show you the exact steps to follow up to get the best from your silver alloys. As a general guideline for all jewelry, but in particular for silver, it is important that the ultrasonic cleaning is done in two steps. The first will take out most part of the dirt, whereas the second will be the clean layer, the one which after the first rinse from the dirty bath will complete the work. An excellent soap for ultrasonic baths is Andy Gold, available at Legor. This is suggested because it is effective in cleaning without being excessively aggressive on the surface. After each ultrasonic cleaning, it's important to make proper rinses. After the first ultrasonic cleaning, it will be necessary to just rinse with tap water, and then the item will be put into the second ultrasonic cleaning bath. After the second ultrasonic cleaning, it will be important to use first tap water and then a step on demineralized water. For Argentium alloys, the cleaning is exactly as regular alloys. The difference from regular alloys is that after the second ultrasonic, you will need tap water and then softened water rather than demineralized water, because that one is aggressive to Argentium alloys. After cleaning thoroughly, a passivation layer is applied. This can be done using T-Pro from Legor. T-Pro is used by dipping the items for 10 minutes in a solution at 55 to 60 Celsius degrees for 10 minutes. This passivation is easy to use and very convenient to have in any lab or technical department. After the items have been kept for 10 minutes under mild agitation, the items can be rinsed. It is important to proceed to 3 different rinses. The first will be done into regular tap water at room temperature. The second will be done in hot water, by hot we mean 60 to 70 Celsius degrees for few seconds, with a good rinse, and then followed by a simple demineralized water rinse. After this treatment, your pieces will be ready to be packed. If your silver items have become discolored by tarnishing or by other means or reactions, it can be very useful to use Step 1. Step 1 is a ready-to-use solution in which you can dip your items for a few seconds and get the same color as before the tarnishing. This is done very quickly, very easily, and can be just followed by a rinsing so that your item can either be kept like it is or retreated with T-Pro.